HAARP is a man-made high-power ultrasonic wave system which introduced by the researchers to develop an advanced radio communication system and improve GPS navigation technology for underground and underwater research work. In the start of this technology, it was under the control of CIA and US military. US Navy gave the image to the civilians that they were using this technology for submarine communication and mineral sensing. The HAARP research station started in 1993 and finished its work in 2007. This station completed its work for US military so that they can use it as a weapon. The HAARP technology can be misused for weather modification. Artificial excited ultrasonic strokes can cause earthquake, floods, and tsunamis and disrupt global communication systems. It can also use for controlling minds of a community by using high-power ultrasonic waves. In military, this technology can be useful in controlling the unruly crowd, tackling with criminals and keeping security of military operations. If we use this technology over a large area, it will permanently destroy all the electronic equipment and buildings in seconds. Basically, it disturbs the ionosphere layer of Earth, which has concentrated ions and excited electrons, so they are commonly known as ionosphere heaters. When the high-frequency wave passes through this region, it causes geomagnetic storms. When we look at the global implementation of this technology, we find that many drastic incidents in the past history were due to HAARP. Recent flood in Pakistan's western areas, which was actually misappropriated with the schedule of rains, earthquake in northern Pakistan in 2005, earthquake in Japan, heat waves in Russia. Flood in North Korea and Chinese mudslides happened by creating artificial disturbance in ionosphere region. Russia discloses the reason of the assassination of the top U.S. Parliament leader Ted Stevens, who was involved in gathering evidence about destructive effect of these weather weapons. In future, this nuclear winter will prove harmful to living beings by changing the temperature of the earth, and our food will not grow due to high concentration of chemicals in soil. So, if we can't leave it using as a weapon, then we should move to another planet.